wants to practice what I just taught them. So now Steve, let's see. So you click on create. Okay. Okay, don't use the cards. Okay, fine. Then you should under sprites. You click on events and click on when green flag is clicked. A sound. You change the background from backdrop. Yes, that's a nice one. Wow, I love your background. Wow, that's nice. Oh yeah, save it. Let's say 01. Put 01. 01. I click on save now. You can see it by the side. Save now. That's very good. Nice one. Thank you, Steve. Thank you very much.